Hmm. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? We're back. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I turned it back. I don't know if it was music or maybe something I said this morning. I don't know. Oops. All the above. Yeah. Well, interesting there. We're back. We're about to hit standard deviation. Policy violation, dude. Their policy violation can lick my sweaty left nut. Fuck YouTube. Ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous, bro. I got. Oof.
I had two different lots. I had lots of 250 and 4.
On Christmas Eve is crazy, bro. Fuck them. What do you do, Jordy? I don't even know, dude. Doesn't tell me. Just rugs me.
What are we doing? Come on. Netflix. Jesus Christ.
YouTube some libs, yeah, for real. About to hit the standard deviation.
Remember I said that back test on IWM?
Yeah, the left nut is only this. That's the only sweaty one. Yeah, yeah.
New high day now. Yeah, it's like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, the 21 EMA lined up with the pre-market high. Yeah, it was beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful flat, and I mean, clear ass flag. Oh, look at this river.
I think they're just a bunch of pussies, CR.
There she goes.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, 42 points. Great fucking work. Great work. Beautiful trend today. About to send this chart out.
Maybe if I made some good fucking money off YouTube, I abide by the rules, but like, they ain't paying me, so fuck them.
Wow. Let's just see that like 100-something lot that just supported the bid right here on NQ. Holy shit. Send it. Fuck it. It's breaking up for more buy. Suck, Charlie. One. Give me a big old Christmas squeeze.
What a rebel.
I just got a notification that I got a bill on Hood. That's called. Holy Coinbase.
Oh, can we get through this fucking week, please? All this holiday bullshit. Can we get through it?
Bitcoin was. Yeah, it's doing well. Close to 100K again. I kind of barely check it because I don't want to like freak out. Seasonality wise, the last week of the year on Bitcoin is by far the most bullish. It looks like the miners and MicroStrategy are front running new high day on Bitcoin. So if we don't get it, then we'll
Mm, mm,
sell
mm,
back in.
mm.
MSTR just broke yesterday's high. So far, the put 39 and 40 calls have gone 56 and 38%.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Braden. I probably will here in a little bit. Yeah, I love you, brother. See you Thursday. Mm, 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 mm.
Holy shit, Carl. I'm all out of spy calls. Charters at the top spaces. Just for 150% on those 598 swings.
I'm interested based on the weekly profile on what this kind of turns into, especially because the week is kind of cut in half.
No, it's your 10. It's you.
Mm, 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 mm.
Oh, look, another friend is here to trade.
Hey guys, actually, I'm just saying hi because I'm just selling all my stuff now.
This one of the day, yeah.
It's like I swung SPY calls and MSCR and coin and Tesla and Nvidia, and so now it's like Merry Christmas.
Then it came shopping.
Exactly. Now I can shop, wrap gifts, eat chocolate, eat whatever. But I saw this fantastic lineup of friends and just at least wanted to say hello. And
Hello, hello, Merry Christmas.
we all believed in Santa, and here he is.
He's here.
Bags of money.
He's ripping this market. Mm.
Thank you.
You said you had Tesla and like a bunch of other names too? You were what? Were you swing long a bunch of names into today?
Yesterday, I was figuring like Bitcoin was bottoming, so I was just buying everything Bitcoin, and
Yeah.
Tesla, of course, looked like inverse head and shoulders at the close, held 420 again, so swung that. So and then was in SPY calls yesterday off of like SPX 59.15. So just kept runners.
Very nice.
Jesus Christ, look at this candle.
Yep, six.
Dude, CR, you see this just absolutely beautiful move to standard deviation off the manipulation leg? I mean, wow. This is one of those plays where it's like you wish you had like a normal futures account so you could swing this, because into the close yesterday, if you did get long off the manipulation we had earlier yesterday morning and like we're long into close, that was like a hold through the night type of play into standard deviation, which we're about to hit. It's fucking wild, dude. It's wild how fucking accurate that shit is. Austin's out. Sounds good, brother. Merry Christmas. Yes, sir. We'll see you Thursday. Have a great day tomorrow, man. Enjoy the time with the fam. Yeah, forget that. This is what the mic looks like. It's so tiny. I mean, we'll see. Depends on the data. I don't know, but if it's the same as today where we open up and just fucking go, I mean, no, I might not trade at all week. We'll see. But absolutely, if I see something clear, I'll be on it. But yeah, I hope we get some clear setups on Thursday. I'll show you just what I've been doing in the back testing area of things, though, too. This was... Wait, where is this? Sessions. It's the right one, yeah. Session analytics. This is as if I was trading the 150K accounts. So this is 15 contracts each position. I've taken a total of 12 trades, 75% win rate on the 12 trades, 9 winners, 3 losers. That's in April. So I was acting like I was trading April of 2023, which is an interesting time in the market. How many days have I done this, though? So that's since, basically, this is, what does it go till? Sorry. We're at April 28th. 15 contracts, a position. So 28th is the last date. That's not even a month of trading, basically. So this is from April 4th to April 28th. And that's total P&L. Account started at 30. Just on the FX replay, of course, but doing all right. I want to continue it. And then when I earn the right to be able to size into those accounts, that's how we'll be running them. Yeah, we're having a stream on Thursday, yeah. Yeah, I'll be here. Uh, 150K account is 15. 30 would be oversizing, at least to start for the eval. That would be oversizing. For me, at least. 15 is the exact same as 5 on a 50K account. Does that make sense, CR? So on a 50K account, trading 5 contracts, it's the same thing as trading 10 contracts on a 100K account, 15 contracts on a 150K account, etc., etc. Right? So I'm just matching it, doing the same thing, same risk to reward, same exact thing. The only difference is the dollar value in front of your eyes. The risk on the account is the same. The risk on each trade is very, very similar. Obviously, it might differ between what type of trade I'm taking, but like why? You know what I mean? Just exactly the same. No reason to switch it up. Do the same repeatability, same thing over and over. There's no reason to trade 30 because that would be doubling that would be doubling what I'm used to. I can't do that. I haven't earned the right to do that. When we earn the right to do that, then sure. I haven't earned that right yet, so not allowed to. Because if I'm, like, for instance, the 50K account, I'm generally trading 5 contracts. If I'm trading 5 contracts, my biggest risk is 40, 50 points, really, for the most part. Or else, if I'm risking more points than that, I'm usually going to size down. And so, taking a stop on that, what is that? That's... So that's a $400 loss. So if I take 5 contracts, take a 40-point L, that is a $400 loss. Your max loss limit on an eval for a 50K is $2,000. Do you understand the logic a little bit behind that? Okay, each trade, I'm risking about $400. Cool. My loss limit's $2,000. My profit target's 3. Right. Giving yourself enough space to still make money, but also enough space to be able to risk. I mean, to be able to, have risk management and not be risking, like, fucking the whole account. You know what I mean? I have no reason to trade fucking gold or Colgate. Oil sucks. Oil blows dick. I want nothing to do with trading that. Why? When you have price action with NQ and ES, especially with volatility trying to come back into the market a little bit. It's obviously leaving today, but right, there's just no reason. Gold, maybe, like when there's an opportunity that's very clear, maybe, sure. Oil's a shit show, man. Until it actually like does something outside consolidation, which it's in high time frame, like yearly consolidation. It's not breaking out of that shit anytime soon, in my opinion. Like, unless we get something crazy happening into the new year, which could happen, I guess. But like, I don't know. I want nothing to do with it. Not when we have beautiful price action every day, and if we don't, it's like we stay hands off. But like NQ and ES, here's the thing: even when the price action sucks on NQ and ES, like I'll find myself. I remember I would find myself trying to trade other tickers, and like, dude, I'd be getting a position on another ticker and be like, damn, I'd still rather trade ES or NQ with it like this. You know what I mean? What's the secret to holding for a bigger move? Having conviction, real conviction with your trade. Like for me, when I'm like, for a lot of my setups, like for instance, we can just go through the trade yesterday, even though I didn't take it, but it was a great trade. Yesterday, I think, where were the overnight highs marked? I don't remember where they were marked. Oh, wait, right here? Overnight highs were here. Yeah, so perfect. So this is how I hold for bigger moves and not just see money and take it, because I like to hold and have real conviction for targets, right? So long story short, yesterday morning, we came down. We had this low of this range from the midday of Friday, right? We opened up the market yesterday. We came down, we took those lows, liquidity sweep under those lows, price shot back to the upside, we ran through this 5-minute fair value gap, ran through that, and was holding it this whole time. You got a 5-minute change in the state of delivery here. Right here is the 5-minute change in the state of delivery as soon as you get a 5-minute close over that. And long story short, let's say you got long off that, whatever, off like one of this fair value gap test right here. Let's say you got long. Now, you might be up into these highs, whatever. Guess what? My first target, no matter what, is going to be Asia high. Why? Because the system says we go there. Simple. I trust my system enough to say my first trim is going to be fucking Asia high and nothing less. Now, in this case, since we had a big move from these lows into, we have Asia low and London low as well. Generally, if I'm long, I'm trading into London high, Asia high. If I'm short, I'm trading into London low, Asia low. In this case, since you got such a big move from your entry area, it would have been smart to take a trim at London low, and it's very likely that I would have done that since I'm getting such a massive move from those lows. It's like, okay, if London lows were down here and we took them and then traded up to them, it's like, okay, I can't take profits because my reward is not enough. But at this point, it's like my reward's enough, and this is a big enough key level to where I will take profits there, right? And I'll shave some off and then say, okay, now my next target is going to be Asia high, right? But even if you did that, right, if you held with conviction, you would have hit all your targets needed. And we actually ended up hitting the previous day high this morning, and then boom, you would have had to swing it. But for me, again, it's just it's having actual conviction for market to go to your target. If I fully believe and have actual conviction that the market is going to go to the target I say, why the fuck would I trim for any less? Why? If you truly have conviction in your plan, in your strategy, why would I trim for any less? So that's me right there. Unless I see something internally, which could be like internal SMT divergence with ES and NQ telling me to take profits, I'm not trimming until I hit my targets. There is zero reason. If you have true conviction, there's no reason to be trimming until you hit your target. Because that's an emotional decision you're making. Now you're letting emotion become part of your plan. And I mean, it's okay, but when you see a pop and you're up $1,000, but you're nowhere near your target, and you got into the trade for a specific reason, you have conviction to go to the target. If you're trimming that, you're trimming because of an emotional decision. You're trimming because you're seeing money, and that is the thought process of making money, which is not the thought process we want to be in whatsoever. Yes, you can be wrong as well, Aaron, and in that case, you hit your stop loss. Because with my strategy specifically, I trust it so much, and I'm so confident in it that if I get stopped out, even if I get close to my profit, comes all the way back down, stops out, guess what? Not a good day for me. On to the next day. Because I know my plan, I know how it works, and I know in a good market environment, I will hit my targets. I will, 100%. So if I'm not, if we get close to it and end up rejecting and going back down and hitting my stop, it's not a good environment for me. L on the day. But I bet you almost 99% of the time, if you were to come into a big level that I'm targeting and we reject beforehand and make a move down, 99% of the time there was an SMT divergence telling you to trim with ES and NQ to keep you safe and keep you trimming when you need to. So again, it's just it's an emotional decision, no matter how you want to look at it. You can absolutely say, like, yeah, you're covering some profits, and you are, and that can be a smart decision for your trading, for sure. I can see that. At the end of the day, you cannot argue that it is an emotional decision. Because if you got into the trade, had a specific target in the first place, and you're trimming before that, it's an emotional decision. You're trimming because you saw money, and you want to take money. And that's understandable, for sure. It's understandable. It doesn't shy away from the fact that it's not, for me, it's not part of the plan. It's not part of the plan. If I have conviction for a level, I'm holding for the level. Simple as that. Nothing less, nothing more. And this is a big reason why you'll see so many people, they might have a high win rate, but they're fucking losing traders because they'll make $200, $200, $200, $200, they'll lose 1,000. It's because all they care about is taking the money and not actually improving as a trader and hitting their fucking targets and becoming better and better and actually improving. They care about making money. And that is exactly when you'll see a P&L calendar that's $200, $200. It's consistent money, 90% win rate. One day, $1,000 loss. There goes all your money. It's gone. It's because your risk to reward is skewed, and you're trading to make money and not trading to improve as a trader and actually hit targets and actually have conviction with your play. and not just be entering, oh, fuck, I hope it goes here. No, I have conviction for it going here. And if it doesn't go here, I'm wrong and I need to reevaluate my situation. And I'm likely not in a good environment here, right? So I need to reevaluate why I took this trade. What made me get into this, right? Was there an SMT that I didn't trim at? And did I get fucked because of that? Was I not paying attention, right? What is a healthy win rate? That is a question that the answer is going to be different for everybody. Because what's a healthy strategy? Well, there's a lot of answers for that, right? It's the same thing. Healthy win rate is a win rate that you can consistently make money with. That's a healthy win rate. Well, the goal is to make money. I think that was the goal for me in the beginning. It's not the goal anymore. The goal is to improve as a trader. Money will fall in my lap by extension of that. We all got into this to make money, of course, but like to actually keep money and make it consistently, you can't think like that. In my opinion, it's just not, it doesn't work like that. Not for me, at least. Not for me. And again, like, why would you not want to be holding for your targets, right? Why would you not want to be learning, okay, I need to learn how I can have this much conviction to say I am fucking, this is my spot. And I'm not trimming until I get there. I mean, right? That was a big thought process I had. I see people doing it. I can do that too. Fuck, you know? So, without the money, you wouldn't do it. Of course. True. It is a motivating factor, absolutely. But again, I mean, I invite everybody. Go trade under the thought process of I want to make money and just let me know how it goes. I will love, I mean, fuck. Try it out. I'm sure a lot of you have already been trading that way, man. That was me for a long time. When you throw the money away, you get that out of your head and you say, I'm done with that. Let me improve as a fucking trader. Fuck the money. Push it aside. It's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. The money is irrelevant for you becoming a better trader. So focus on becoming a better trader, and then the money falls in your lap. You know? Like, that is so huge. No, I know. No, Aaron, you're fine. I'm just saying in general, dude. I'm just, like, it's, you look at everybody and why they fail over and over and over. And it's so simple. It's so simple. Everybody trades to make money and doesn't trade to be a better trader. And again, that's why you see, I entered. Oh my God, I'm up $200. Take profit. Oh, it ran so much. Oh, I'm down $1,000. Fucking, and it's just this back and forth emotional roller coaster of profit gain, profit loss, profit gain, profit loss. There's no system. There's no conviction. There's no actual targets. There's no actual stop loss. There's no actual trade. There's no process. And it's an area of trading that I am so far away from now, and I am never going back to. It's the retail mindset, and it's disgusting to me. It's gross. And I don't want anything to do with it. Yeah, timing is everything. Pretty much so. There's plenty of times where, like, I'll have a trade, and it's like, okay, my timing was wrong. It doesn't mean I'm wrong. Like, it doesn't mean my thesis is wrong, but I just timed this wrong here, right? I need to be a little more patient. But yeah, man, I mean, everybody, you ask the secret, right? How do you hold longer? Simple as that. There's no magic fairy dust. It's having a system you actually trust. Because people say they trust their system, but based on how people trade, I can see that a lot of people do not actually trust their system whatsoever. They don't have any conviction, right? They're guessing all day, guessing. No fucking clue what's actually happening, right? are we gonna bounce here? Are we gonna reject here? Is this are they gonna stop me out? Are they gonna? It's this it's so like energized filled. Like, it's funny. I found the best traders you see are so, everything is just, again, it comes back to simplicity, I guess, but it's just everything is so simple. It's just like, okay, market's doing this. This is clear. I'm doing this. Perfect. We're on. Market's not doing what I want. I'm fucking just chilling, you know? And it's like you see these guys that do it like that and they kill it. The problem for me, I'm getting into so many tickers off PRs. Wait. Wait, what do you mean PRs? I might just be blanking. I'm fucking... Oh, the press releases. Yeah, I mean, some of them go right away, some of them just don't. Yeah, it's an interesting strategy. I mean, I don't really trade those at all, like that type of style. So again, that's where it's like you got to find a process for you that works. I mean, that gives you a clear plan, right? Not just a clear entry, but a clear target, a clear stop loss, clear everything. You need full-blown clarity. And if you don't have that, it's time to reevaluate the strategy, in my opinion. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. Yeah, you can lock in gains by hedging. Very true. I think getting into that whole boat with futures, though, is... I'm not doing it. I just... I'd fuck myself more than I'd help myself with that shit, to be honest with you. I would lose more money than it'd help me save, for sure. I know myself. I would for sure not do well with that. Because once I'm trading the market in one way and I have conviction for it, I can't. I gotta stick with that until I'm legit wrong. Now, of course, for different types of investments, it's different. Like long term, it's completely different, of course. But like, I couldn't hedge an intraday futures position. You know what I mean? With options though, it makes a lot of sense. I still don't do that with options because it's kind of the same thing. If I have conviction, I want to be in it that way. I'd rather be wrong and make no money than be right and be hedged halfway on the other side. You know what I mean? But no, I think it's great, and I like your style of the way you do it. I've seen what you do with the way you hedge options, and I like it. I saw you teaching Light how to do it too, so I think it's a good strat. I personally am not doing it, but like I think it's solid. And again, like do what works for you. If that's working, fucking keep it going. The only hedges I take are gonna be in long term for sure. MES break 6085. She's trying, man. Looking good. We're in lunch, so I love how you just see everything slow down. Look at boom, boom. Things are ripping. And well, I guess it slowed down a little earlier. That's 9 o'clock. Yep, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Facts, man. I believe so, CR. I don't know. I haven't looked at that in a minute. They paused doing work with us for a while just because market just keeps ripping, dude. It's like the worst time to promote that type of shit. Nobody gives a fuck about hedging when market is flying new all-time highs. Just nobody cares. Unfortunately. So yeah, we stopped like doing work with them just for a little bit, and market just hasn't really calmed down since. So no more work there for now. Yes, Brent. Facts. That is a big milestone. One of my big goals. Brent said one of my big goals I passed this year was to stop taking everybody else's ideas and make up my own or change my plan. Love that. I agree with you, man. Yeah, I've very much gotten to the point where, like, obviously I love hearing everybody's ideas, but it doesn't matter to me, right? Doesn't mean their ideas are not valid. Not saying that, right? But, like, let's be real. If I have conviction and I'm in a position and somebody tells me something about the other way or whatever, or, like, tells me literally anything, I don't care. It's irrelevant. I don't care. What somebody else has to say is not going to reflect my trading one bit. I don't care. I have my system. I trust my system. I play that. Right. And that's where, like, things can be very tough when you're in the social media world, because especially, like, just if you are, like, listening on spaces, you know what I mean? It can be tough as a retail trader because you're listening to 10 different ideas. You know what I mean? And it's beautiful that we have the panel and everybody can listen, but it can also be fucked for some people when you're hearing that many ideas, right? And that's where lately it just don't matter, you know? And that's how it should be, though. Right? You don't want others influencing your trades, man. You got to have that conviction for yourself. Because when others influence your trade for you, it takes your personal conviction for the trade down, you know? You would think it might bring your conviction up more. But actually, I would argue the opposite, because now you're playing the plan off of somebody else's thoughts instead of your own. So you're getting away from your personal conviction and relying on an external conviction, which is not the move. Yeah, for sure, Brent. Yep. It makes you feel better. Let's go, Tommy. Yeah, ES still looking very strong. NQ a little weaker, making a lower high while ES makes highs. Dude, Stark is in God mode lately. Shout out. Killing it on the evals. Let's go, baby. Up 1,500 today. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Good shit, man. I need like 2 more good trades on one of the evals, and that one's passed. And then we need like a hefty 3 or 4 decent trades on the other one. Because the other one's only up like $700 total. Oh, let's go, Brent. Up 1,100 on 2 accounts. Beautiful. Yeah, and then once I pass these 2, we'll switch over to the 150Ks as well. And we'll trade those. We'll get those funded. And then we'll be fully loaded. We'll have essentially... Wait, how much? Yeah, that'll be a total of funded like almost $500,000. Which, I mean, doesn't matter because it's spread across multiple different accounts, but it's just kind of cool to look at it like that. Solid, though. It's good stuff. Did we hit standard deviation? Nope, not yet. Very close. Very close. What's $500,000? Well, if I get 250K accounts, that's... If I get 250K accounts funded plus the 350Ks I have, that's $450,000 total. Yep, same, Tommy. Yes, sir. We only have 30 minutes left, guys. So just reminder, if you are in trades, like there's only 30 minutes left in the day on this short day. So just be careful. I'm going to remind spaces too. I'm sure you guys have talked about it, but reminder, there's only 30 minutes left in the day. So be careful, because it probably seems like shit. We're still in the morning, but no. Market's closing in 30, so get your money in, get out. Is it time to drink some eggnog? Well, might as well hang out for the last 30 minutes. I gotta wrap presents. Tomorrow's Christmas. I unfortunately don't think I'm gonna have my chair or my desk by then tomorrow, though. But it's okay. All good. I just care that the parents are taken care of, but as soon as that comes, that will be very nice. I cannot wait for that. Sounds good, Brent. Love you, brother. Have a great Christmas. Have a great time with the fam. We'll see you Thursday. X, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Love you, brother. Oh, Aaron just threw a $20 holla, my brother. It's been an absolute honor being a part of this community. I look forward for the next year making some good money with you and the rest of us. Just one thing also. Play options in 2025. Love you, brother. I will. Thank you, Aaron, my man. W's in the chat. Yeah, we'll definitely get some more options plays going, but I mean, I will be 100% real. The streams are 10 times more entertaining with trading futures, so it's not like I'm not gonna trade options, but like the focus is definitely futures on the stream. I'll still take plays, but the main focus for the stream itself is definitely gonna stay futures, even though, but we'll still take options plays and do them live and everything. Oh my God, Tommy, $50, bro. You guys chill, bro. You don't have to do this. Oh my God, I love y'all. Merry Christmas. Keep up the good work. I fucking love you, Tommy. Love all you guys. W's in the chat for the crew. Yeah, I'm excited to get some more options plays going though into the new year. It's been a minute. I'm excited. We've taken some time off. We had a great year. I am excited to get some more option plays going again. Get some Tesla, get some Coinbase going. My two favorites. It's going to be fun. I'm excited for it. And then grind these funded accounts as well. It's going to be a good year, y'all. It's going to be a good year. Very excited. Fucking Tommy and Aaron, my boys. And Brent earlier. Brent sent a super chat too. Shout out Brent. Oh yeah, Tommy. That's a nice extra check, huh? Yeah, there you go. Good shit. Yeah, Nvidia just got hit, huh?
What just happened to video? Some junior trader on the floor just like fall asleep on the keyboard? The fuck?
Liquidate the position.
Yeah, it was champion vibe. I'll text them. If you notice here, what's happening? If you're long, this still looks good. Why? ES. Range lows. NQ takes range lows. ES, higher low at range lows. This still looks bullish to me for another leg up. That's also a potential entry, right? When you see this and you've already seen what you want to see all day, right? That's a potential entry now. Would I be doing that right now with fucking 20 minutes left of the market open on this short day with the trend as much as we ran today and hit all bullish targets? No, that would be a stupid fucking entry right now. But that is an entry you can absolutely look for. Once you have already seen what you want to see, you've seen change in state delivery, you know the trend is going your way, you know you're trading towards the draw on liquidity, that's when you can try and take one of those liquidity sweep entry trades, right? And then you look for ES to displace to a new high, NQ follow, right? Bounce off golden fib to a penny, beautiful. So that's where this is internal manipulation we're seeing right now, right? We saw I guess we could call it external at this point. Yesterday on the dip below Friday's lows. Now we're seeing this internal sweep happening within the range, right? Within what we've been trading in, within the trend that we've been trading in. Now, if ES loses these lows, while NQ also loses the lows, that's a little sketchy, right? The longs might be done if we see something like that. But if ES can hold this higher low or equal low, it could come down, and as long as it holds that level perfectly, SMT divergence is still in play there, right? For the lower time frames. So again, the same way I've talked about how when I'm long or short and I have targets way away, but I might be seeing what? I might be seeing internal SMT like this happening, right? Well, a lot of the time that's telling me to take profits on a position before my target hits because we're seeing that internal divergence. In this case, it's telling you to actually take an entry, right? Based off the data that is given. Now, again, this is not a viable entry at this time in the day, in my opinion. Like, I just wouldn't be doing that on this short day. Maybe if it was a normal day going into the end of it, like, it'd be different, but no. I don't think it's, I mean, might work, but I don't think it's a smart risk to reward type of trade there. But I'm just trying to kind of highlight what I'm seeing there, right? And how that works with the divergence there. And now you're seeing ES displace higher, NQ's following. You want to see ES take highs now. Boom, take highs. So a lot of people, what did they maybe do right now? A lot of people just got stopped here. They got swept, right? They were long. They had stops. Where? Tell me, if you're buying this dip, where's your fucking stop, man? It's probably below the most recent lows. Market makers know this. They don't need to see your screen to know this. It's easy. We know where people are going to be putting their stops because they're predictable. What do? They bring price down. They stop them out. They reclaim price. ES holds the higher low. We displace higher, right? So now I'm interested to see if they actually take it. But I did not get stopped out. Good shit. There's no reason to stop out if ES is holding lows. If ES broke these lows, there's a reason to potentially stop out, right? But as long as ES holding these lows while this took lows, swept. Boom. That's where you can see a liquidity sweep from a mile away, right? I can look at a range and say, the sweep's either going to be at this high or this low, right? And I know that that's where the draw on liquidity is going to be trading towards. So tonight's obviously Christmas Eve, and we have Christmas tomorrow. But like Thursday, Friday, I might be open to, and like over the weekend, of course, I'll probably be around doing some back testing and stuff. So if people want to hang out, make sure you're in the free Discord, of course. Dude, I couldn't believe it. I just thought of this. I don't know why I just thought of this, but CR, I couldn't believe this. So my uncle, I've mentioned him before. He's a trader, but he's not like a high-frequency trader in any way. Dude, he showed me his portfolio, bro. Can you believe that somebody could have lost money over the past, like, year being a part of the market? Dude, this man will pick any ticker but a large cap fucking business that actually is doing well. He's invested in all these small caps that have just gone to the dumps, dude. While market, dude, he could have fucking bought the SPY, done nothing, no research, nothing. Bought SPY, been up ridiculous amounts. Instead, he's in these small cap tickers, fucking trading all these individuals, getting fucked. He's down on the year, bro. He is red on the year. And, like, he's asking me, like, what the fuck is wrong? And I'm like, dude, I've explained this, and I will explain it again. You are scared to take any risk. But look at what's funny. You're scared to take any risk, and you're taking more than you would have this whole year. And I was trying to get in his head, like, you gotta be open to, I mean, dude, trade the big companies, trade the big dogs. Be invested in what's innovating, you know what I mean? Not, I mean, these dude, he invested in like fucking grains and shit. I mean, just like, what is going on? What are we doing here, man? But he loves it. He has fun with it. I don't get it, but he has fun doing it. Hey, have fun, man. Have fun losing. I don't understand. I've tried so hard to help. You won't listen. I know, literally. That's what I told him. I'm like, bro, just buy SPY. I'm like, you literally could have just bought SPY and fucking retired. Like, shit. Yeah, he's been invested in grains, though, since even before Ukraine. I remember him showing me. But yeah, probably. I don't know. Either way, it's all shit, dude. Is any, like, none of it's moving like the fucking markets, you know? It's just horrible. It just sucks to see. Because, like, dude, he's doing hard work. He's doing hard research, spending a lot of time on it. When, I mean, arguably, there are literal dumb fucks that have just bought the SPY all year long and are just making stupid money, man. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Just sucks to see someone work so hard and not get rewarded, actually get taken money from. It's like, damn. All because of arrogance, too. All because of ego and arrogance. I want to prove something in this sector. I want to prove that. Dude, why do you want to prove anything? Don't prove nothing. Just do. Just do. Just do and improve. Don't prove anything. Oh. going to start to sell here at the close. We need a 5-minute change in the state of delivery for that to happen. Which I wouldn't really... you could put it 2 different spots here. You could argue to put it like here. But I would be a little bit safer since we're in such a strong trend today and say the 5-minute change in the state of delivery is going to be actually here. So this is where I would mark the change in the state. 5-minute close under that, you get a change in the state of delivery. That doesn't mean you can short, in my opinion. It just means it's 1 point of conviction out of many that you would need. And again, I mean, there's a whole 13 minutes left, guys. Don't ruin your Christmas the last 10 minutes of the market open, all right? Please. It's not worth it. I'm just looking for profit take. Yeah. Yeah, well, I agree with you. You got to kind of expect that into the close, I would think, just because of the moves today. If we don't see any profit taking, that's a little bit of a tell for what could be coming Thursday. Right? If we're not seeing any profit taking today whatsoever into the close, does that mean that the bigger dogs may have conviction to be holding for higher into Thursday? Potentially. Right? So another slow day, not going to lie. Yeah, I didn't take any trades today, personally. This whole week is seeming like I might not be doing much. I hope I get a setup Thursday, though. That would be nice. We had a bit of a setup yesterday. I didn't want to take it with it being Monday and holidays, of course. We talked about that. And that's okay, man. Yup, I'm with you. I'm with you, man. That's all right. Well, here comes the last 10 minutes. Oh, Tesla, you're fucking sexy. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Don't be shy. Put some more. I was waiting on the sidelines all night. Shit. Oh, the last little leg? Emp's getting the last leg. Get it? I just love, I love this fucking, just this observing today and just, this move to standard deviation was, I mean, absolutely perfect. Yes, got the new high. I just absolutely love watching the market react to my thoughts pretty fucking perfectly. Only thing we didn't see today was high time frame manipulation to start the morning. We just opened up and ran, and that's unfortunate for our strategy, but at least we know what's going on. 8 minutes. I need to hit the gym. I need to make some food. And then get the Christmas Eve on. I love Elon, man. He's a G. Isn't gym closed today? Not when you own it. But yes. Betsy. Damn, I don't even think about that though. That sucks, low key. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You just take 2 days off, but it sucks if you like if gyms are closed today, you know, and you want to hit the gym. It's like you can't. Fuck. It's annoying. Yeah, you paid me back 100-fold in Tesla, literally. Oh, there was an MOC, 2.1 billion to buy on SPY. That's a big MOC. Doesn't look like we're seeing too much profit taken, which might mean a gap up into Thursday. We'll see. That's so lame, CR. Fuck, I didn't even think about that. I guess you're doing push-ups in your room, huh? 5 minutes. Wrap up your positions. Yeah, there you go, Tommy.
Yeah, I think Evan said 260. What's the level did he get to? I think so. Line holding that last rush to 22K was so stressful, but we got it.
Tommy getting the last push. Get it. There you go, Tommy.
Oh my god, give me the 300 points. Mouse goes flying. Yeah, we should have bought it when I was talking about the night, eh?
All right. Wrap it up. What a fucking ending to the day. Damn. Well, y'all, the day is done. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. I love you all. I'm wrapping it up, but I hope you all have a great morning tomorrow, a great day. Everybody enjoy time with the family. And tonight, of course, we're going to be back Thursday morning, bright and early, 5:30 a.m. We'll be live. And Friday, of course. So we'll see everybody then. But again, just enjoy, guys. Enjoy the time off. Have a good time with your family. That was a crazy day. Just open up, rip all day. Crazy. Unfortunately, no spot for me to take any action, but that's right. We'll get something Thursday, Friday, and if not, next week. Either way, wait till it's clear. But I love y'all. Merry Christmas. Have a great time. Peace out, y'all. Late.